Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check the tire pressure and storing tire pressure settings of your Mercedes-Benz C180 Coupe. You will find a table of tire pressures for various operating conditions on the inside of your vehicle's fuel filler flap on the right side. To test the tire pressure, use a suitable pressure gauge. In this case, we will inflate until 2.5 bar. These are 250 kilopascal. Press on plus to inflate and press on minus to exhale a little bit of pressure air. After this, go to the other tires and do the same. First step, untighten the dust cover, then use the machine to test the pressure and inflate a little bit to 2.5 bar or 250 kilopascal. After this, extract it and reassemble the dust cover. Good job. Do this on all 4 tires once a month. Roffel. If you completed all tasks, restarting the tire pressure loss warning system inside your vehicle. Make sure that the key is in position 2 in the ignition lock. Press the left or right button to select the service menu. Then press the up or down button to select tire pressure. Then press OK button. The run flat indicator active restart with OK message appears in the multifunction display. If we inflate some air, we have to confirm the restart. Press OK. The tire pressure is now OK. Message appears in the multifunction display. Press the up and down button to select yes. Press OK button. The run flat indicator restarted message appears in the multifunction display. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and see you next time. Soon.